Hi guys, today we are going to see the topmost open source intelligence tools. These tools are very useful, very useful for the real time doing the footprinting part or finding the details of the some companies and finding the details of the target person. Most of the hackers use these tools, and the most of the cybersecurity researchers, cybersecurity analysts, and the person those who are working on the internet to find the details of that particular resource, a particular organization, they use these tools and get some details about that organization. These tools are really very good. So today I'm going to show you the most of the useful tools where we use regularly. For them I have chosen for the 5 tools. The first I want to show you the Hunter.io. Hunter.io is one of the tool which give you the good information and much information about that particular company email IDs details. So for example, if you go there, if you type the tata.com, see the below you are able to see some company names and company related results. In here you will be able to see the details of that company, how many emails are available for that particular name. Just type here and apple.com, type here apple.com, and you will get the good list of the email IDs, and here you are able to see, and you are here the hackers will get the details of that particular apple.com email IDs. So this is very useful for the hackers to do some reconnaissance, to do some attacks, to send phishing mails, to send spear phishing mails on that organization to get infect. So this is the platform to get the email IDs of the any company, whatever the company it may be, or where the company wherever it may be. But this tool is very useful and very useful for the real time hackers and get the details to do some type of attacks. So please be aware your email is here or not. Let's check and we take the precaution. So next I want to show you the another most useful tool, where this tool will give you your Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, wherever your photos are available. Example, I want to ice.com is really a wonderful tool. So here you need to upload the photo. For the example, I am going to upload the photo of one of the heroine. She is very beautiful heroine, so I want to upload her. So that what this tool will do, it will do some research in the backend and it will show the details of that particular image. The particular image, wherever it looks, the entire source it will collect and it will show in front of us. So this is really a very useful tool. So if the hackers or if the ethical hackers or the cybersecurity analysts or the people, those who got that photo, those who are trying to find that person, if they use this tool, so they will get good information about that particular photo. Let's see in the let's scroll down here and you will see the wherever the photo is available, the entire photo URL is available here. If you click, it will take to that URL. So go down, scroll down, just scroll down. See, we are able to see the same image. Let's try any new image we will get. So here we got some new image. So it might be some Facebook or some other. It's not Facebook, it's some other somewhere else the photo is available, and it looks like it is matching with this photo. So that's why this tool is showing this one. So next we'll see the another photos with same looks and same some other source the photos are available, and go down. So slowly you will get the Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, wherever the image is available, wherever the images are available, the entire resource and entire URL resource and information this tool will show you. This is a very useful tool, very useful tool. Next I want to show you the another tool which is very useful and very powerful tool. The tool name is Showdown Search. Let's go to the Showdown Search. The Showdown Search is one of the best tool where it is a very popular tool, and it will very useful tool for the everybody. Those who are working on the cyber security field, they will check the company details are available on the Showdown Search or not. If the company details or the company IP address and the company related things is available, so they will do patch their company and their organization do secure. So in the Showdown Search, if you type webcam, it will show the whatever the webcams are available in the entire world, wherever it is open, so it is showing. So just go click on this one. Just I am trying in the live, so let's see. So it is taking to somewhere else, so we are able to see some details here. So do some practicals on this Showdown Search, so that we are able to get the details of the anything. Just this is the webcam details, so I will show you the cam. Let's do some research. The next, so it is taking somewhere else, so it is redirecting somewhere else. Which country we need to do research. If you select the Singapore, it will take us to the Singapore. On the webcam, if you type, it will show all the world 9173 top results it is showing. So next I will show you the another thing in this, so no worry. So we'll work on it, or we'll go there and we'll see the details and everything. So as a practically, this is one of the open source intelligence tool, which is very useful tool for the everybody, those who are doing research on the internet and those who are trying to secure their organization. If we type RDP, and there are so many commands are available. If you click this one, so many commands are available. It will show us to that command. It will take us to that company RDP. It means a remote desktop protocol. So where we'll able to get into that page, and we able to see this image, and we able to try the users, and we'll get the details. So this is the one of the type. If you click here, let's see what it want to it will show you. It will redirecting, and it will asking some check marks is nothing but it's a firewall. So it is asking us to enter the firewall, so we directly entered that organization firewall. So like this, in the Showdown, there are so many commands are available. With this commands, we able to get the many other details. So next I want to show you the one of the powerful tool to find the IP address related. So guys, if you find any IP hit in your computer, or if you want to see what is that IP, so just use this tool, MaxToolbox. MaxToolbox is one of the best tool where it is available in the open source, and it is very free. For example, if you type Tor browser IP address, I have copied this IP address and I have pasted here. So just click that IP address, what IP address it looks. See, for example, I am showing, it will do research and it will find, and it will give the good result to us. Just click on the blacklist and paste here the IP address, and see, this is processing the IP, and it will show the results. See, it is saying that this belongs to the Tor, and it's something, it's rat spam. And so if you find this is the Tor browser, so that we can understand the something bad is going to happen to our system. So somebody is trying to hit with the Tor IP. So like this tool is very useful, not only to find the IP address. This tool have the much information about DNS lookup, email health, diagnostics, and blacklist, and many other things are available. So analyze the headers also. It's one of the tool where everything is available for to find the what is the main thing of that IP address, how to find the IP address, how to see the blacklisted IP address, and many things. Basically very useful on the blacklist. Any SOC operation analyst will use this tool to find the blacklisted or not, or how that what is that IP and which place that IP belongs to. They further, you will go to the further details. If you click on the details, we are able to get the some other information about that particular IP address. So this is about the MaxToolbox. Next, I want to show you the another very important, very useful tool called VirusTotal. This is also one you need to choose. You need to click on the choose, and you need to upload the virus file. If the virus file belongs to the purely it's a malware file, so it will show and it will detect us. It will detect and it will show this file is a malware, and this file have the malware and these many antiviruses detected, and so it will arm us and will do the malware analysis. We use this tool to find which malware it is and how many antiviruses was detected this file. So guys, these are the these are the few open source tools I have shown today. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you, and if you like this tutorial, please support and please like and please share. Thank you.